Welcome friends. This is the continuation of our series VB6. In this tutorial we will learn about arrays in VB6. If you are familiar with any programming language, you will be very familiar with arrays. An array is a data structure. It can hold the elements of the same data type. Say you have a record of 50 students and you need to store the marks of those 50 students. So you can declare an array and hold the records of those 50 students inside a single variable. So it saves a lot of memory for the computer programs. So let's start by creating a new project here. Then double click on the form to go to the load event of the form. You can also click here to go to the code view. Then inside the load event, declare an array. Declaring an array is same as declaring a variable. Dim arr. Inside the bracket, you need to provide the size of the array. Here we are declaring the array which can hold up to 5 elements of type integer. So the above declared array is a static array, that is, it cannot grow and shrink as the program is executing. If you want to create dynamic arrays, then you need to provide the dimensions as blank, that is dim arr as integer. This is the dynamic array. You can notice that here the upper bound is not there, while in case of static arrays upper bound is provided. Then we are populating the elements of array. We should notice that arrays in VB6 are zero based arrays, that is the first element starts as ARR0, not ARR1. Then initialize all the elements. Then we are declaring a counter variable called I and then iterating through the array. For I is equal to 0, to 4, message box ARR of I. This for loop will iterate through all the elements of an array and then message the value at a specified index and then next. Then press F5 to run the program. You can see that when the first form is loaded, the first element of the array is messaged, then the second, and so on. So this tutorial was about arrays in VB6. Thank you.